So on the condenser side, the greatest temperature difference is between the saturation temperature inside of the condenser and the entering condenser water temperature. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll put some numbers. So we'll say this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So in this case, we're saying that where's our greatest temperature difference at? The greatest temperature difference is between the 105 and the 85. This is our condenser water supply temperature. So if our 85-degree water is hitting our refrigerant, which is condensing at 105, then that is going to be leaving at 95. So our 10-10 rule that we constantly talk about.